Archers. So serve coming up. Wala kang Shane Reterta.
Reterta and a service ace.
It's indeed a service ace, Coach Coco.
The early offense for LaSalle.
Hmm.
Another good serve.
Oh,
And another
it's an
service
ace. Yes.
That's the second service ace.
Middle.
They have good receive.
Oo. So even though they're down as much as double digits at this time, Coach, maganda na yung mga receives na ginagawa ng LPU. Another setup!
And
That's the point. Bulacan Shane Reterta. The Lady Spikers with a 15-point lead sa ating on the team captain with another serve for LPU. Kanino, a good recovery, lapot. Drop shot, good recovery for LPU.
Set up. The open hit.
Good dig by Kanino. Reterta!
Pass attack there for Reterta. That's how the long reach gives an advantage.
Mataas na wingspan, mula kang lapot. Here comes. Oh, that's a
Another good
point.
Serve. Now just a 1-point lead for
You, Lady Pirates.
this time. The easy serve.
Tolentino.
Set up to Reterta.
Reterta!
Nice drop shot. Hitting it through Puzon.
She has been the great contributor for LPU.
Good floater serve.
Reyes sets it up. Reterta!
And short hit this time by Reterta.
The winning set ngayong gabi.
They want to finish the game in short array.
Oo. Here comes
But
Puzon.
LPU
Tulang.
trying to fight back.
Reterta. Cross court.
Lopez
Oh, that was a
Tulang.
great rejection. Bulacan